We'll guide you through how to make a fisheye camera effect in a Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and either load an existing project or create a new scene where you want to apply the fisheye camera effect. In the 3D viewport or the outliner panel, select the camera object so its settings become active. Press the numpad 0 key to enter the camera view and see exactly what the camera will capture. Move to the Properties editor located on the right side of the Blender interface. Click the Camera Properties tab, identified by the small camera icon, to access the camera settings. Inside the Camera Properties panel, locate the Lens section where the camera projection options are available. Change the camera type from perspective to panoramic so Blender can create panoramic and fisheye effects. After choosing panoramic, look for the Panorama Type drop-down menu that appears below the lens settings. Change the panorama type to either fisheye equisolid or fisheye equidistant, depending on the visual style you want for the render. Adjust the fisheye lens value to increase or decrease the amount of fisheye distortion in the image. Increase the field of view angle to capture a wider area of the scene and create a stronger curved effect around the edges. Use the G key to move the camera and the R key to rotate it until the scene is framed correctly inside the camera view. If you already have a preferred viewing angle in the viewport, press Ctrl plus Alt plus numpad 0 to align the camera to your current perspective. Next, switch the render engine to Cycles because the fisheye panoramic settings work best with that engine. Open the Render Properties tab and confirm that Cycles is selected as the active render engine before continuing. Press the Z key and choose Rendered View to preview the fisheye effect in real time while adjusting the camera settings. Continue refining the lens values, camera position, and field of view until the distortion looks balanced and visually appealing. Finally, press F12 to render the completed fisheye camera image and save the final result to your computer for later use or editing.